So I'm sure this video will help you out. Okay, so you have to speak after me. All right, so speak after me, that we called as hello. Hello means hello. Hello means hello. H-A-L-L-O. Hello. Hello means hello. All right, so hello is hello. Okay, all right. Hello means hello. So if you are a beginner, guys, if you are in A1 level or in A2 level, okay, I'm sure this video will help you out in order to increase your speaking portion. Okay, so hello is hello. Okay, if you're saying like this, my name is, so you can speak like this, mine. Speak after me, mine Name ist. For example, if I'm saying my name is Ankit, so what I will use, mein Name ist Ankit. So mine is my, Name is name, ist basically it's is-am-are. Okay, so ist basically it's is-am-are. So basically we have a conjugation, right? Okay, so we have a conjugation, like in English we have is-am-are, we have you-are. I will explain to you in this module itself why ist. Okay, so you have to speak after me, mein Name ist Ankit. Okay, all right. So my next is I speak German. I speak German. So before this you have to repeat after me. Now repeat after me. Mein Name ist, okay, hallo. Hallo is hello. Hello is hello. My name is Ankit. Mein Name ist Ankit. Okay, so if I'm using I speak German, I speak German. Okay, so you can say like this. Basically I is my ich. I is my ich. I is my ich. Ich spreche. So this is basically a conjugation. Ich spreche Deutsch. So if I'm saying I speak German, ich spreche Deutsch. Okay, speak after me. Hallo. Hallo is hello. My name ist, my name is Ankit. So what I will apply, mein Name ist, my name is Ankit. Okay, and I speak German. If I'm saying I speak German, ich spreche Deutsch. Ich spreche Deutsch. Okay, so basically these are the three phrases wherein you can speak. If you want to present yourself, my name is Ankit, mein Name ist, mein Name ist. I can also apply ich bin. What is ich bin? So basically bin is am, bin is am, ich is I am Ankit. Alright, so speak after me again. Please speak after me. Hallo. Hallo is hello. Mein Name ist Ankit. My name is Ankit. I speak German. Ich spreche Deutsch. Ich spreche Deutsch. Okay. Ich bin Ankit. I am Ankit. Okay. So far we have covered hallo, hello, mein Name ist, my name is Ankit, is, am, are in German. Like I said, mein Name ist. Is am are. Okay, so we have to apply he is, she is, I am. So basically in German language, we have one important verb, a very important verb, which we call as sein. Sein is to be basically. Sein is to be. My sein is the parent of is, am, are. Understand the point? My sein is the parent of is, am, are. Okay. For example, if I'm saying I am, so what I have to do is I have to break sein, because sein is the parent of is, am, are. The moment we'll create we are, you are, is, am, are, I am, we, she is. So we have to break sein. Okay. For example, sein is, am, are. I am. So if I'm applying I am, it will become ish. Ish is I basically. So you have to understand the subject as well. Okay. Ish is I. Am is been. Ish been I am. Okay. For example, in English we have you. If you are speaking to my younger one, I will apply you. If I am speaking with my elder one, I will apply you. But in German, it is not like that. We have an informal conversation and we have a formal conversation. Okay. So if I am saying you, that is informal. That is do. Okay. If I am saying you, that is an informal. So informal is do. Du bist. Du bist is you are, but that in terms of informal. Okay. Alright. Then we have he is. Okay, we can apply like this. Then we have he is, she is, he basically in German is my ear. My R sound is A, that's why it's ear. Okay. Er ist. Ist. Why I will apply ist? Because my sein is the parent. So if I'm applying I am, that is ich bin. If I'm applying you are, that is du bist. If I'm applying he is, ist. Ist is my is, which is applying with is. And she we pronounce as in sei. She we pronounce like sei. So sei ist. Then we have it is. Ist. It is. Okay. So basically we have and repeating one more time. He is. He is basically my, repeat after me. Er ist. Okay. Then we have she is. He is, ist. She is, sie ist. Okay. And it is. My ist. Clear? Alright. So basically this is my is, am, are. Okay. Then we have next is we are. We have we are. So we are is my, we is basically WIR, which we pronounce as in we are. We are sind. We are sind. Okay. Then we have informal plural. I'm saying you guys, okay, informal plural, that is you guy. Then we have ia, that ia. That ia is basically, guys, informal plural. If I'm saying you guys, okay, you guys are, to ia seid. So if we have an informal, okay, so we have ia seid, S-E-I-D, okay. So ia seid, so I'm repeating one more time, sein is to be basically, right? So sein is to be, ich bin, I am, du bist, you are, he is, er ist, she is, sei ist, it is, es ist, we are sind. Informal plural we have ihr seid, ihr seid. Now we have one last pending, which is a formal conversation with you. Formal you. We have informal you, that is an informal you. Sie sind. So my sie and this sie is same. So one sie is my you formal, one sie is my she, which is she is for female, but a conjugation different. If I'm applying she is, sie ist. If I'm applying you are, there a formal, which is sie sind. Alright, so basically this is the thing. So now you just recollect the things, recollect the phrases which I have explained to you. We have my name is. What we have applied? Mein Name ist. We have applied this conjugation because my name is. So mein Name ist. I am, ich bin. Alright, is it clear? So basically this is the conjugation. So sein is a very important verb of my German language because the lot of things which is based upon my sein verb. Okay, so you can say like this and you can repeat after me. Sein is to be. Okay, so if I will break sein into a pieces, which I am, you are, we are, so we can say like this. I am, ich bin. Okay, du bist, which is you are, which that we call as informal conjugation. Er, sie, es. Er is he, sie is she, es is it. Okay, ist. So basically ich bin, du bist, er, sie, es ist, wir. Okay, wir sind, sie sind, wir sind, sie sind, and ihr seid. Ihr seid. So what is ihr seid? Ihr seid is my informal when I'm speaking with a lot of people, like in guys. You guys are. So we have ihr seid. So repeat after me one more time. Ich bin, du bist, es, sie, ist. Okay. Wir sind, sie sind, and ihr seid. Okay, so this is the conjugation of my present tense in terms of is, am, are. All right, so I'm very much sure, guys, this video will help you out in order to increase your conversation in German. So if you're a beginner or you have some problem in grammar, so this video will help you out. Okay.